Okay, so good day, chemists. I have a question here under molarity, which says 4 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 22 cubic centimeters of water to form a solution. Calculate the number of moles of sodium hydroxide and concentration of the solution formed. So here's one thing that you need to know. If I get sodium hydroxide, I dissolve it in water, I'm going to form sodium hydroxide solution. That is true. So, okay. So when that happens, all right, that sodium hydroxide, it should be what? It should be a solid one. So for that to be a solid one, when I dissolve it in water, what happens? It dissolves completely and forms a solution whose concentration we just have to find. Okay, so here's the one thing that we need to know. We know that to find the number of moles, we need the mass, also the molar mass of that what? Compound or element. So now we are talking about sodium hydroxide here. All right, so follow me here. We're talking about sodium hydroxide. We are going to say sodium hydroxide, which is like this. So this is, we do this, we find the molar mass, right, which is the relative molecular mass, just the same, and the only difference are the units. So here you have 1 times 1, just give us 1 times 16. Where I'm getting the 16, it's the mass number on the periodic table. 16 here, then here 23. So this will probably give me 40. Yeah. All right. Then the mass has been given as 4. So number of moles will be equal to 4 grams. You divide by 40. Since it's molar mass, it's gram per mole. Can you clearly see that I'm including units because I clearly need to show how the units are disappearing. Okay? And, alright, if you are not sure of the numbers in your head, please use a calculator. Okay? So this will give us 0.1 moles of what? Of sodium hydroxide solution. Or the same solid one. There's no problem. And let me do this. Part 2 says concentration of the solution. No, sometimes they may not put concentration. They may put the word molarity. It is just the same. So, concentration is equal to number of moles we divide by the volume given. Now, this volume which is here, it is in, the units are not standard as the one used for molarity. So we need to convert this to what we call cubic decimeters. Are we following each other here? So converting this one to cubic decimeter, just divide by 1000, because 1 cubic decimeter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. So 22 divided by 1000 is giving 0.022. So 0.022. The number of moles you already found them is 0.1 moles. You divide by 0.022 cubic watt decimeter. So 0.1 we divide by 0.022, and the concentration of the solution formed is actually 4.55. I rounded off, there was a 4 at the end there. Mole per cubic decimeter. This is the concentration. Or you can just say 4.55 capital M, which stands for molarity. So thanks so much for joining me in this video. Imagine if I had to tutor you and pass your grade 12, 10, or 11 exams, GCE as well. So let us help you. Our online classes are very much affordable. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and on TikTok. It's PBS the Tutor.